Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to download your TikTok videos that you record without posting on TikTok. So first of all, after you open up your TikTok, all you have to do now, tap on this plus icon as you can see now. Now all you have to do now, tap on this plus button to record the video. So after you tap on this the plus button, all you have to do now, select the duration of your video. Let's say 10 minutes, 60 seconds or 15 seconds. So for me, I'll just go with this 15 seconds. So I'll just record a random video, like let's say I want to record this box. So after you finish recording your video, just tap on this, stop the video. After you stop your video, just tap on this as you can see now. Now you can be able now just to go and just add any editing that you want to add on your video, like filter or beauty or anything that you want to add on your video. Just go and add all those things on your video. So after you finish adding all these settings of your on your video, all you have to do now, tap on this save button. After you tap on this save button, all you have to do now, as you can see now, here is the video. So tap on this next button again. After you tap on this next button, all you have to do now, the first option is tap on this, as you can see now, tap on this more option, this one. After you tap on this more option, scroll all the way to down. After you scroll to down, as you can see now, here it says save post without watermark. So make sure you turn on this option and make sure you turn off this first option, save to device. As you can see now, make sure you turn off this first option, save to device. So after you turn on this first option and you turn off the second option, so scroll all the way to, tap on this cancel button, close the section, and tap on this section which says who can view this first. So tap on it and make sure to turn it to make it to only me, the last option. After you make it to only me, all you have to do now, tap on this section as you can see now, tap on this post button. So as you can see now, here is now my video now is posting. So as you can see now, my video, as you can see now, my video has been posted on my TikTok account. So let's go and show you the video now. So as you can see now, if I open my profile at the bottom right side, so as you can see now, if I tap on this lock section, now I post the video as private video. As you can see now here is the video, this black one. So tap open the video. Now no one can be able to see the video. It posted and as private. As you can see, here is the video now. All you have to do now, tap on this three dot. As you can see, three dot, tap on it. After you open up this three dot, tap on this save button, save video. So as you can see now I save the video to my device. So all you have to do now, after you save the video to your device, tap on this three dot again and now delete the video. Scroll all the way to left and tap on this delete section, tap on this delete again. Now I deleted the video. So now if I go back to my phone, I will show you now the video that I just make and I downloaded my video. If I go to this video section, so as you can see now, tap on this section, here is the video now. So as you can see now here is the video now. I downloaded now the video on my TikTok account or on my phone without the watermark, and I downloaded the video that I just recorded. That's it guys on how to download the video you recorded on TikTok without posting. So now you can go ahead and edit your video. After you finish editing, you can go ahead and upload your video on all your social media accounts. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.